Papa Shate. To behold you as my king. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. Ila Pakusha. I wanna be where you are. Take me where you are. Love is where you are. Grace is where you are. Mercy is where you are. Oh, I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. Hey, I wanna be where you are. Hey, Lord, if I find favor in your sight, Lord, please show yourself now. I'm desperately waiting to be where you are for your glory. I will do anything just to see you. To behold you as my king. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. What are you living for? If you are not carrying his glory, see 2026. What are you living for, sir? If his presence don't go with you, what are you going out there to do? Of what use is Daniel if the presence is not there? What can you do for the glory? I wanna be where you are. So what can you do for the glory? I can imagine how beautiful the face of Moses was looking. When he came down, the people could not behold the beauty. It was no longer Moses' face, it was fire. You cannot spend time with God and still remain like goats. I wanna be where you are.